In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track your sleep using your Apple Watch. So first things first, we're going to start over on our iPhone, and I want you to open up the Health app. It's the white background with the heart on it. This is going to be the Health app. Once you're in the Health app, you should be able to scroll down under Summary and see where it says Sleep. It'll be blue and have an icon. If you can't find that, go to Browse and then find Sleep. Once you're under Sleep, I want you to scroll down, or you may not even need to scroll down, to where you see your schedule. Setting your schedule is important, and this is going to start the process of being able to track. Hit Edit Schedule or tap on Edit Schedule, and you can see you can tap and hold when you want to have your bedtime, and then you can tap and hold as to when you want your wake up to be. The other option on this page is whether or not you want an alarm at your desired wake up time. You can enable or disable that at the bottom. Once we've done that within the Health app, we're now going to close out or get out of the Health app, and we're going to swipe down from the top of our screen to get to our focus modes. There's going to be one called Sleep, and you want to tap on that and go to Settings by tapping into the three dots. We're going to edit our sleep focus mode and add one if we don't already have one. Here under Sleep Focus, you can enable Intelligent Breakthrough and Silencing. By doing this, whenever you enable Sleep Focus on your device, it will basically decide itself which things will come through as far as notifications. And as you can see here, I'm actually setting up through the settings different people that I want to be allowed through even when in sleep mode. So as you can see under Sleep Focus here, I can enable not only people and contacts, but apps as well. So if I know I want my Gmail to come through, which I don't recommend, you can do that by enabling notifications. Next, you can customize your screens, your lock screen, your home screen, as well as the screen for your Apple Watch. So you can choose a lock screen, or you can create a new one directly from the Focus Edit mode here. We can choose a home screen page from ones we've already done, or create one if we'd like. And then we can choose an Apple Watch face as well that we want it to change to when we're in sleep focus mode. Down below, we'll see our schedule that says when we're going to bed and when we're waking up. Now, you'll notice it says wind down. Now, wind down is set automatically to 45 minutes, and it will not automatically turn on sleep focus mode unless you enable this button that says schedule. So if you enable this button here over to the right in green, it will basically, whenever your wind down starts, so let's say your bedtime's 11 o'clock, you have your wind down set to 45 minutes, it will enable sleep focus mode at 10:15. So just know that. You can disable that and change your wind down time here. You can always go into your schedule and options from this page as well as far as your sleep schedule. So tap into that, takes you back to that sleep schedule page. Once you're done here, you can delete the focus if you want, but in order to enable that, you swipe down, tap into your focus, and then tap on Sleep. When you tap on Sleep, you'll see here that it's turned on, and you'll see the Z's coming animated up from the bed. To turn this off, you just tap it once more. Now, when you enable sleep focus mode, that's when the tracking will begin. But I will say this, whatever your wake up time is, it will automatically turn off at that wake up time. So just know that. So you want to set your wake up time to be a little later than what you think you may, wake up. Here under sleep data, you can see it's going to track all the different types of sleep. So if we go down here, it's going to give us our heart rate, the highest that it was and the lowest that it was during our night of sleep, as well as as I mentioned, different types of sleep. So if we go to show more sleep data, there is the awake data, the REM sleep, the core sleep, as well as the deep sleep. It'll tell you all of the different ones here through a color-coded, and then you can look from certain days, weeks, months, and even zoom out all the way to 6 months to see your data and kind of where you're trending. That's it. That's all you have to do. And now when you go to your Apple Watch, you'll tap the little blue icon that says bed on your Apple Watch, and you can look at your sleep data right directly from your Apple Watch. Here, all I'm doing is I'm going and adding data manually. If you're like, hey, I missed some sleep, but I want to make sure I keep track of it, you can tap the blue Add Data button there, and you can manually add data. Again, this is how you do it. Very easy. You got to get your sleep settings as far as your wake up, as well as your go to sleep time, and then you need to enable the focus, set up that sleep focus, and you're good to go. Have any further questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.